Adventure Team now, so get ready for some amazing experiences.
The team is made up of all different ages and backgrounds, but we have one thing in common: an appetite for adventure.
And a love of flying around the globe in search of it.
We got our start back in 1921, and we'll still be seeking out cool new challenges in 2921.
Our most experienced and skilled members bring back living statues, miracles of modern science.
And miracles of goofing off.
Those brave souls are known as expert adventurers. So welcome to the Adventure Team. Feel free to recruit your friends.
But let them know, they won't be spending much time on the couch.